Welcome to Chennai City Garden. So today in this video we are going to see about growing curry leaf plant. This is one of the easiest plant that you can grow it in your garden. There are different things which involves in growing this and we will see one by one. I will give you 4 to 5 tips to grow it. And there are different aspects involved in it. I mean from container to the soil mix and the fertilizers. So all those things, and all are very simple things. For containers, if you have very small plant, you can use a 12-inch grow bag, and if the plant is somewhat bigger, you can use a 15-inch one. 15-inch one will be the best one to grow this plant because it will grow bigger and larger. So in that case, please use a minimum 15-inch one. And you can see here I have taken the fruit from it. Generally, if you grow it from seeds, it takes a month or so to germinate. So it is always better to grow plants from cuttings. I mean especially the curry leaf plant. If you have cuttings, you can use it. But you can grow it from seeds too. So we have to know that. The second most important thing is the pruning thing. We have to prune this plant now and then. Only then we will get lots of leaves, and it's very simple to prune. Whichever stem or branch is coming out of the plant, or out of the pot or growing larger, you can break that or cut down using any kind of pruner, and there will be lots of side branches coming out from the same stick. So this is how you can prune this curry leaf plant. And pruning is the most important process in growing this curry leaf plant. Only then you will get lots of leaves in it, because major product of this plant is the leaves. So pruning makes the process very simple. So the next thing, the third thing is about the fertilizer and the soil mix. As far as fertilizer is concerned, I used to give any type of a liquid fertilizer once in a week, and other solid fertilizer once in every 2 months. Generally the fertilizer will be these three things: vermicompost, cow manure, or kitchen waste compost. So within these three I used to give anyone for once for every 2 months, and I used to give any type of liquid fertilizer once in a week. That is how I used to provide the fertilizer to this plant. The fourth thing is about growing from seeds. You can see here I have taken those ripened fruits from the plant. The fruit is somewhat black in color. It has the edible thing in it. So if you want, you can eat those edible part of the fruit, and you can plant the seeds in the soil. That's it. It's very simple. Just make sure that you take the ripened fruit. The seeds are somewhat smaller in size, and it is green in color. Take 3 to 4 fruits, and you can plant the seeds in any type of soil mix. Generally I use 50% of coco peat and 50% of vermicompost for preparing seedlings, so you can use that. Generally it takes around 1 month to germinate, so please be patient. After a month or so it will definitely germinate. Water it regularly. Use any type of spraying can to spray some water every day. Within a month or so you will definitely see the seeds germinating. First time I used to water it with this, and after that after 2 to 3 days I used spraying can. The last and final tip is about watering the plant. Generally I used to water it once in every 2 days. Don't give too much of water. In summer I used to water it daily, but in other season I used to water it once for every 2 days. That's it. That's how I used to water it. Please keep in mind that it needs lots of nitrogen rich fertilizer to grow greener leaves. Generally in gardening, green is equal to nitrogen, so in that case give lots of nitrogen rich fertilizer once or twice for every 2 months. It will definitely give you lots of yield, because the product is just the leaves, right? So in that case it is best for us to give the nitrogen rich one. So these are the things which we have to follow in growing this curry leaf plant. It is one of the best plant to grow because it is very much rich in vitamins and other minerals. So if you grow one, please mention it in the comment. If you like this video, please click the like button and click the subscribe button. Thank you.